In one of my recent videos, a person commented that their microphone is not working and how they could solve it. So I did a little bit of research, and it probably is an issue with the sound drivers. Therefore, in this video, I got an idea to show you how to reinstall your sound driver. First step is right clicking on the Windows button in the bottom left corner and then clicking on Device Manager right here. After the Device Manager opens, you go over to Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and then you find the Realtek High Definition Audio section. You right click on it and you press Uninstall Device. I won't uninstall it in this video because I have no problems with it. After you've done what I just showed you, you head over to the search bar and you type appwiz.cpl. You open it and you are move to the Programs and Features section where you find the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver, and once again you right click on it and you uninstall / change it. This will delete the driver completely from your PC. Once you've completely deleted the driver from your PC, you want to download it and reinstall it again. To do that, you head over to this website, which is linked in the description down below, and then you scroll down a bit until you find this section where it says direct link latest version, and then you choose which one you want, the 32-bit or a 64-bit Realtek HD audio driver. In case you've got a older PC, you may want to use the 32-bit, but most likely you are going to need the 64-bit driver. You just download it, install it, and it's that simple. It takes no more than a minute. It's really quick, it's really easy. If this video helped you and you enjoy it and you want to see more of a similar type, please make sure you like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.